How exciting is my life? Then we're gonna do a workout, so let's go. Hey guys, and happy Monday. It is now the start of a new weekly vlog, and I haven't really been up to too much today. I just had a few client check-in calls, and I also did one in-person PT session. So I did that this morning. I'm just about to eat a little snack. I made these like crackers with Vegemite and cheese. So random. I just randomly craved them, and I didn't have like rice cakes or anything, so I literally just put them on crackers. But anyway, let me know down below if you like Vegemite, because I feel like it's either you love it or you hate it. But at the moment I'm just sitting at my laptop because I'm doing module 2, that's 2 of Georgie Stevenson's Rise and Conquer project, and I've been loving it so far. So I've just literally been sitting here for about an hour writing out, like writing a million pages. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to do this. I really am loving like writing down stuff rather than typing it out on my phone or typing on my laptop, because it's almost like you don't think too much about it, but when you're like actually putting pen to paper, you're really thinking about what it is that you want and like getting super clear, writing down your goals, writing down your affirmations and stuff like that. It's just so much better when you put pen to paper. So I'm going to continue doing that because I'm feeling so inspired. I also need to do a workout later today. I really don't want to, but I'm hoping that the motivation strikes because it's 5 PM and I am so tired right now, but that's no excuse. Morning guys, it is now Tuesday and I'm about to do some cleaning. So as you would have saw last night, we ended up doing a whole tidy. I don't know how much I filmed, but we basically went for a walk after work, and as soon as I got home I just had like this urge, I guess, to clean. I think I've been doing a lot of journaling lately, and one of the things that keeps popping up is just like clarity and getting clear on things, like obviously kind of what I want and my business and all that kind of stuff, but even just like the space that you're in. I feel like it's so important to have like a clear desk space, a clear bedroom, especially because my desk is in the bedroom, so it makes it really hard to like focus and be productive if I have like clothes all over the floor. My desk is a mess right now, so I'm definitely going to tidy that up. But yeah, we just like did the washing, we put it all away, and I even went through my drawers and kind of like decluttered and threw out a few things. Well, I haven't threw them out yet, I'm going to donate them, but I just got a big pile of clothes that I no longer needed, that no longer served me, and that kind of thing. So we did a huge clean. We ended up throwing out a bunch of stuff in the kitchen as well, so that looks so much neater and nicer, and I feel so much clearer now. It honestly makes such a big difference. So if you're watching this and you have an area of your house or an area of your room that just is kind of bugging you and you keep looking at and you're like, oh my god, I wish I could clean that, here's your reminder to do that, because it makes such a big difference on your mind and how you feel. I'm just going to tidy up the things that I didn't get a chance to do last night, aka this desk, because like what is that? I'm finding it very hard to be productive when I have a whole bunch of makeup and cameras and all that kind of stuff on my desk. So let's tidy. procrastinating, we're finally gonna do a workout. I haven't trained lower body in like 3 weeks, I'm gonna say, because of my back. So I've got my booty bands. I'm gonna do a lot of activating to fire my glutes up, and then we're gonna do a workout. So let's go. I look like an absolute hot mess right now. I just did a fake tan, so I look crazy. But I just got an exciting package in the mail and I thought I had to share it. So I went on Amazon the other day and I actually ordered a laptop stand and a keyboard, because earlier in this vlog you saw me like cleaning my desk and clearing it out, and I put on Instagram that I was looking for like a laptop stand and just a better keyboard. The one I have at the moment is from Kmart, and you literally have to type like this, like single-handedly, whereas like I'm so used to being able to type like that. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I send a lot of emails and it takes literally 5,000 years to send an email, and I make so many mistakes, and then I want to chuck my keyboard off my balcony. So I thought I better get one that was actually useful. So I ordered this one on Amazon, and I cannot thank the people enough on Instagram who told me to look on Amazon, because this was $45 and also the stand was $45, and the ones I was originally looking at were both $80 each. So you pretty much saved me half the cost. But oh, I didn't bring my scissors in here. Give me a sec. Okay, scissor time, hammer time. Alright. Ooh, I have some assembling to do. This shall be interesting. Boom. This is what I used to have, and now this is what I have. So much better. It's like on a little stand, and there's a like silicone base here, so the laptop doesn't move around. It's like pretty still and sturdy. This keyboard, so much better. Like, see what I mean? It was like so much harder to type on that keyboard. Got myself a mouse. Oh yeah. I cannot for the life of me remember if I've already vlogged today or not, but happy Friday if I haven't already said that it's Friday. We are now off to the beach. We finished work for the day. It's the last 30-degree day for like a week, so we're gonna go enjoy the sunshine and the warmth, and yeah, go home, make some dinner, go to bed. How exciting is my life. But it is pretty cool that we live so close to the beach and we can just like pop down for a swim after work. Pretty lucky, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm too awkward filming in public, so ciao.
Yeah.
Happy Saturday, guys. I've just made myself a smoothie and we've just done a little bit of grocery shopping, as you can tell behind us. We didn't actually do like our weekly grocery shop today, but we did pick up a few things because we're actually going camping tonight with our friends. So I'm super excited for that. We honestly haven't been in, I'm gonna say like well over a year. So very excited to go camping. I was gonna vlog it, but I also feel like this vlog is already probably quite long. So I don't know. I'll take my camera, I'll see if I get anything, but I usually put stuff on Instagram and that kind of thing. So yeah, this is pretty much like some of the stuff we pack when we go camping, like your sauce, cooking utensils, our snacks of choice. You need some earplugs to block out the noise because camping can be quite loud when you're in a forest. And we've also got like eye masks, snacks, fun stuff that time of the month, yay. And we also bought this new game. We've played it once before and it was so much fun. So if you're looking for a new game to play, definitely check this one out because it is hilarious. I think it's from Universal. But yeah, we're just gonna start packing up this, pack up the esky, the car, and then hit the road. I'm so excited. But if I don't end up filming anything else, I just wanted to end out the vlog. So please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next week's weekly vlog.